so I just wanted to say that. All right, you want a couple more fucking songs? I'll see what I can do. Maybe I don't know what you're looking for, but you caught my eye like a criminal, and I can't stop seeing you. I must be invisible. Maybe I don't know what you're looking for, but you caught my eye like a criminal, and I can't stop seeing you anymore. Thank you guys, thank you very, very much. Thank you very much for coming out to see us. It's been too long since we've seen you. Hopefully we make that a shorter amount of time than 5 fucking years, whatever it was. We got one more for you. And, as soon as we're done, I'm going back there, and if you want to pick up a CD, I'll fucking sign it, or if you just want to say hi, I can do that too, okay? It's really, really nice to see you guys. Thank you again. Thank you. Have a good night. Let's start a fucking song, dude. I'm speaking to myself. I'm not talking to you. Some air monologue shit. So you can do a pretty loud PA. desperately.